Frustrated with the Cg library DLL crash ruining your 3D rendering? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll ensure your hardware and engine are communicating perfectly. Before we get into the manual guide for Cg library, you can try the suggested utility for improving overall system health. This is the Cg library, part of NVIDIA's C for Graphics, Cg Toolkit. This library is a high-level shading language compiler. It allows games to execute complex lighting and shadow calculations across various hardware platforms. Its absence is a primary cause of shader initialization failed errors in mid-2000s PC games that rely on the Cg language to render 3D materials. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. Errors related to Cg library DLL often mean the internal NVIDIA Cg configuration inside your host program is broken, so you need to reinstall that specific software from the official developer source to replace the library. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Cg library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. If you are still seeing the error after a reboot, it indicates that the application's local file structure is damaged, so you should perform a clean reinstallation by deleting the program's hidden app data folders. This ensures that old configuration files are not blocking the new version of your DLL from being deployed by the official installer. Why are we doing this? Well, third-party libraries are often cached in temporary directories, and a clean wipe is the only way to force the software to recognize a fresh library file. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Always prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of Cg library DLL. Downloading individual DLLs from third-party sites is a common way for hackers to inject spyware and ransomware directly into your operating system. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. Review options for improved system responsiveness by consulting the primary tool linked below for Cg library. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped Cg library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.